Warm, fluffy sweet potato biscuits are a cozy blend of autumn in every single bite. Join me as we craft these delightful treats brushed with melted butter to elevate your side dish game. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni and today we're making sweet potato biscuits. Now before we get started, please do me a little favor and hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our little notification bell. Let's get into it. In the bowl of the food processor, add the all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, and kosher salt. Add the cold cubed butter and pulse until the butter is the size of coarse crumbs. Add the cold buttermilk and sweet mashed potatoes and pulse until the dough just comes together. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the food processor as you go. Transfer the dough onto a lightly floured work surface. Knead this a couple of times to create an even dough. Roll the dough out into a small 1-inch thick rectangle about 6 by 10 inches. Be sure not to overwork the biscuit dough or you're going to end up with really tough biscuits. What we want to do is strengthen the gluten enough so that the biscuit doesn't fall apart and crumble, but not so much that it can't puff up like we all wish a good biscuit would do. Fold the dough into thirds, similar to folding like a business letter. Fold the first third to the center, and then fold the remaining dough over to create 3 layers. Turn the dough 45 degrees and roll it out into another 6 by 10 rectangle. Now do this again. Fold the dough into thirds. Repeat the rolling and folding process one more time. This fold is super common when making laminated baked goods and is what's called an envelope fold. It creates those distinct layers that, when we bake this, it makes a buttery, flaky crust. Roll the dough out a final time. Cut out the biscuits using a 2.5 to 3-inch round cookie cutter. And with the scraps, reform the dough into a 1-inch thick rectangle and just cut out more biscuits. Place the cut biscuits into a preheated and buttered cast iron skillet and brush the tops with melted butter. Bake the biscuits in a 400-degree preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the tops are lightly browned. Drizzle with the remaining melted butter. Serve this plain or slathered with butter and drizzled with honey. Whipped honey butter is my personal favorite for topping these sweet potato biscuits. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. For the full recipe, head to the description box below or go to cozymeal.com/recipes. There's so many incredible recipes from chefs on Cozymeal, so don't miss out on the opportunity to check them out. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios.